guy was the guy who's riding a scooter. His whole head has split from here to here. His eyebrow was latgoing here. His knee was gone. His shoulder was, had come off, and he was unconscious.
Okay,
Salman,
but
I really want to tell everyone that please see this film, because our endeavor here is to get Salman Bhai back into family mode, and my personal motivation has been that through this character, if we are able to change people, for good. You change people, if we can change a family, if we can, because this is a platform in Salman Khan which has such a big connect with the common man, and what he says was here, what he's saying is very subtle, but he can change people. That's what I would like, people to go to see his films in future.
Okay, Salman sir, mera sawal
I'll just take one question and wrap up there. Okay, since he already started speaking.
This film is not about the numbers. This film is not about promoting it, that you must go and see the film. This film is about go and see it with the family.
Okay.
If you're alone, one or two, see when you go, whenever you get time, go and see this film with your family. Sabko gher ghar ke leke aao. Make this as, when we used to go for picnics with the family, make this one outing with your whole parivar. Trust me, you will love it.
Salman,
it's a full on entertaining film. You will love it.
Salman,
okay,
on your left, this is Karmik from ikarmik.com. On your left, Salman. The
Okay,
question
so you were
is,
actually taking his, but we'll finish off with you then.
I'm sorry.
No problem. Aap kar lo.
Salman, the question is to you as well as Mr. Barjatia. The first time when you made, the character Prem, and when you shot with him, and the film was such a huge success, 27 years back, did you guys ever think that, you guys are going to come so far, and, Prem is going to be as good as your second name? And beech mein aisa bhi hua that, you had a few other Prems, but now you're back here with Salman, and we are very glad to see the two of you together. Tell us a little about that first movie and your and whether you thought that it's going to go so far.
Actually, a lot of people ask me why this name Prem has come across. Actually, there is no big story behind it. I had written the script, and I had written hero, heroine. Now we had to name the hero. So we said, नाम क्या रखे? उस ज़माने में संजय चलते थे, पंकज चलते थे, वो दौर था, राजेश और नाम थे. So we looked back, तो उस समय हमारी सबसे बड़ी हिट थी दुल्हन, वही जो पियामन भाई at राष्ट्रीय. तो उसमें हीरो का नाम प्रेम था. तो वी थॉट चलो हीरो का नाम प्रेम ले लो, उसी बहाने उसी लक चाम के साथ अपनी पिक्चर भी निकल जाएगी. तो वहाँ से वो प्रेम लाया, बट उस समय लॉट ऑफ पीपल सेड ये प्रेम कोई नाम रखते हैं कि इट इज कंसिडर वेरी लो शैलो. खानदानी में प्रेम, एंड प्रेम चोपड़ा जी, प्रेम नाजी, दे ऑल विलन्स. सो आई रिमेंबर वी पुट इट ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ लक चाम. That is the only way. I had done no thesis, nothing. But it's that one name and then one character. I write, he works, he portrays, he says it in a different way. That has been the journey.
You went quite against the norm in a number of things. I mean, you were trying very hard to make sure that this was going to be very different from what I hear completely, sir. So you must be very relieved also when it did well. Okay.
Throughout this whole journey,
Yes, sir. Yes,
27
sir.
years, we've also lost, Lakshmikant Berde. We've lost Mr. Ajit Bachchani.
We lost both our DOPs.
DOPs, Mr. Rajan Kinagi, Lad Saab. So, that. In fact, Jai Master. It was, I was supposed to, this is before the film started, I was supposed to meet Jai Buradi, the dance director of Maine Pyar Kiya. So I'm coming back from town one day, and I see this one guy with these two guys on a scooter, Laminator, remember, and they overtake me, and they go ahead. So I look at him, he's wearing a vest, and the guy behind also is wearing a vest. Big, solid-looking, rough guy. So Sangeeta and me were, driving back. So suddenly I see a huge lot of people there, ek bheed ikhatti hui wahan par. So I drive by slowly, and I see that man that we saw on the scooter was fallen down. Then people just looking, standing, not doing anything. So I stopped the car. I remember Anna Singh also was there. So I sent Sangeeta in Anna Singh's car. I went down, got off of my car. I picked both those guys. I remember one guy was slightly okay. But this guy was the guy who was riding a scooter. His whole head has split from here to here. His eyebrow was latkoing here. His knee was gone. His shoulder was, had come off. And he was unconscious. So I picked him up, put him in the car. I put the other guy. I remember my uncles from my mom's side, they live in Mahim. They're all doctors and all. So they play carom in the nights. So they were playing carom. I didn't know that. So I went to the house in Mahim, to my Nani's house, and I said, Dilip uncle, look at this guy. He's all. They said, this is a case that we will not be able to take care of. You take him to Baba Hospital. So I took him to Baba Hospital. Because, at that point in time, you would get in trouble if you took somebody to the hospital. वो सब वो चक्कर था कि आप पहले, घसीटे के अंदर आ जाते थे उस वक्त. So I took him to Baba Hospital. They asked me a few thousand questions, वगैरह जो भी था. And so suddenly this, while driving there, this man gets up. He says, brother, my name is Jay Burade. I'm a dance director. So I said, shit, I'm supposed to meet you tomorrow. They say, yo, Salim Khan's son, Salman. They say, yeah. Oh, wow. What a way to meet. Done. ऐसा पिक्चर शुरू नहीं हुई या हमारा डांस डायरेक्टर खत्म हो गया. अरे मैं बोला बाप रे बाप. Anyway, so
I remember you calling me. That are we meeting him tomorrow? I said yes. I've already met him. He's in front of me.
So anyway, I took him. He said, brother, and then he gets up. होश वहाँ पर आता है उनको जब 5:30-6 बजे को वो टाके वाके लग गए पूरे. And I take him home. His wife opens the door. आइए. तो ऐसे मासी जी क्या रोज का है? So she does that. Anyway, he removes a quarter and he starts doing the short division of the songs of मैंने प्यार किया. तो ऐसे कमाल है यार. So then I call him up in the morning. I said, your dance director is working with, I think, some 150 stitches on his head. Then what happened? Then I told him the whole incident. So then he came to his house. Then they started, and he also, if he's working, then he's also working. Then I'm sitting down there. Now they're doing short division. Now in 2 vodkas, or I don't know what he was drinking, then he forgot his pain or whatever, utara ho gaya. So now he's only working there. Cut to. We started Prem Ratan Dhan Payo. Then he did Hum Aapke Hain Kaun, Hum Saath Saath Hain with us. And then I got to know that he was unwell, so we helped him out. They removed a huge cancer from his stomach. Nice. I like. So we removed that whole cancer. He was fine. And then one day I get a call from his son that we were at Mount Mary at that ashram here, and dad is no more, and we're taking him to Baba Hospital. So I said, I'm on my way there only. And it was like a lot of traffic was there. So I remember that I was right next to the house only. I was going home. This is next to Mehboob studio, right outside. There's a lot of traffic. I remember Arjun Rampal was also stuck in that stuck in that traffic. So I got off the car. I started walking towards home, and I passed an ambulance. And something, like how in movies you feel that something is that you feel some connect. So I walked ahead, and suddenly I hear his son Vicky saying, "Salman bhai." And I said, "Oh shit, it is him." I turned back, and it was Jay Burade lying there in that ambulance. So I opened the ambulance ka darwaza, I sat in it. So just imagine, 27 years ago, my first meeting with Jay Burade was taking him to Baba Hospital. The last meeting, the roundup was taking him back to Baba Hospital. 27 years later. I mean, what are the odds of something like this happening?
Okay, सलमान सर, मेरा सवाल था, आपने कहा भी कि आप जाएं अपने घर के सभी लोगों को लेके जाएं, फिल्म देख के आएं. Do you got emotional while filming the Prem Ratan Dhan Payo? Apart from this, सूरज बाबू said yesterday कि जब गेट टुगेदर था कल, तो उन्होंने जिक्र किया इस बात का कि शूट करते चले गए और बाद में पता लगा कि बजट बढ़ता चला गया. और आपकी फिल्मों की अगर हम बात करें, 200 करोड़ 300 करोड़ कोई मामूली बात है सलमान खान की फिल्म को उतना कमाना. तो कितने की उम्मीद कर रहे हैं आप कि कितने में संतुष्टि होगी?
सर बजट तो इन्हीं को पता है सर. बजट के हिसाब से जाओगे तो बजट के हिसाब से जाओगे तो बहुत ज़्यादा ही कमाना पड़ेगा इस फिल्म को. बट इन्होंने तो हर चीज़ जब भी सूरज बाबू मेरी लाइफ के अंदर आए हैं, no matter at whatever level that I have been in this industry, मतलब कुछ नहीं था, फिर थोड़ा कुछ हो गया, फिर वापस डाउन चला गया, हमेशा से जब भी ये इन्होंने मेरे साथ काम किया, ये मेरी लाइफ में आए, तो मेरा ये लेवल ये फोल्ड्स उठा के चले गए. अब बजरंगी भाईजान के बाद हमने सोचा था कि ये पीक है as far as production is concerned, as far as the film is concerned. अब इसके बाद क्या होगा? ये आए, उन्होंने बजरंगी भाईजान को एक ऐसा होता है ना कि वो छोटी पिक्चर करार कर दी. This film is a much better, a more beautiful film than Bajrangi Bhaijaan. And that is the reason why as well that we got Bajrangi Bhaijaan out first. Halake, this film was signed much before. So Kick, we started shooting for your film, then we started shooting for Kick, then I finished Bajrangi Bhaijaan, and then this one. So Kick, Bajrangi Bhaijaan, as far as the film is concerned, okay, the level of the film, that this film had to come on top of Bajrangi Bhaijaan and Kick.
All right, guys. Should we wrap up?
A last question.
Yeah. One last question. Yeah.
Salman
sure.
sir, can we also say that you are starting a new trend of promoting the films through dub smash?
Ji haan, you will have to go to Shah Rukh's thing today, na?
Yes, sir.
Shah Rukh ka bhi hai na? Okay, wish him all the best from my side. Yesterday we both did some dub smashes for each other.
So is it really helpful
Huh?
for a film like Prem Ratan Dhan Payo, sir?
What is helpful?
So dub smash videos, because you have asked
It's
so
a
many.
good feel, yeah. As we were doing nothing, so we thought that the fans would, the fans would enjoy it. It gets a nice feel to it. Gets a nice connect. You guys see it, you guys enjoy it, because I see all the kids going through it, and I don't hardly see it, but the younger generation. Then the press also picks it up. They also show it. So it's a nice feel to it. There's nothing wrong in this.
Suraj sir.
It just gets you closer.
Thank you, guys.
Suraj sir.
Okay, one sec. They're just asking. I'll just take the one last. Any piracy issues, sir? Are you taking any precaution? They're just asking that. No, as it is. Just make sure you watch it in theater. Thank you so much, guys. We'll take some solo photographs.
I wish you all a very, very happy Diwali. Wish you. Sir, I'm celebrating my Diwali today, sir, by telling people to go and celebrate their Diwali in the theaters, close or far to them.
Thank you very much. I'd like some solo photographs, sir. If you could just give them, yeah. छत पर स्नैक्स बाद में हाँ चौधरी या